Imagine compressing all 13.8 billion years of the universe into a single calendar year. January 1st is the Big Bang, and December 31st at midnight is right now. On this scale, 1 month equals a little over a billion years, and a human lifetime lasts just a couple of seconds. Here's what the entire universe looks like in that single year. January, the beginning of everything. At midnight on January 1st, the universe explodes into existence. Space expands faster than light. The first particles form, and the temperature is beyond imagination. Within minutes, the first atoms, hydrogen and helium, begin to appear. By late January, the universe has cooled enough for light to travel freely, leaving behind the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light we can detect today. February to April. The first stars ignite. For months, the universe is dark. No stars, no galaxies, just endless gas. Then, around early March, gravity begins pulling matter together. By April, the first stars blaze into life, lighting up the cosmos. These ancient stars are massive and unstable, creating heavier elements like carbon and oxygen through nuclear fusion. May to August, galaxies and worlds take shape. Through May and June, galaxies begin forming, including the early ancestors of the Milky Way. In July, galaxies collide and merge, reshaping the cosmic landscape. By August, the Milky Way becomes a large, stable spiral galaxy. Entire generations of stars are born and die, spreading the elements needed for planets and life. September. The Sun is born. On September 2nd, our Sun forms from a collapsing cloud of gas and dust. A swirling disk around it eventually becomes the planets. By September 6th, Earth takes shape, but it's nothing like today. Molten rock, constant impacts, and no atmosphere. September 22, the Moon appears. A Mars-sized object crashes into the young Earth, blasting debris into orbit. This debris eventually forms the Moon, which helps stabilize Earth's rotation, critical for future life. October, water and early conditions for life. Across October, Earth cools and oceans form. The atmosphere thickens, volcanoes erupt, and early chemistry begins. Conditions are harsh, but the building blocks of biology are assembling. November. Life begins. On November 1st, the first simple life appears in Earth's oceans, single-celled organisms. For the rest of November, life remains microscopic. But these tiny organisms change everything, producing oxygen, shaping the atmosphere, and preparing Earth for complexity. December 5, complex cells emerge. Life evolves cells with nuclei, eukaryotes. These cells will eventually lead to plants, animals, and humans. But that's still far away. December 17th, multicellular life. Suddenly, life gets more complex. Sponges, worms, early sea creatures. The oceans explode with diversity in an event known as the Cambrian explosion. December 20th to 25th. Fish, plants, and land animals. Fish dominate the seas, plants begin to cover land. By December 24th, the first reptiles appear. Dinosaurs arrive on December 25th, Christmas Day, and rule the Earth for days on the cosmic calendar. December 30, the extinction of the dinosaurs. On the evening of December 30th, an asteroid impacts Earth. The dinosaurs vanish, making room for mammals to rise. December 31st, the entire history of humans. 12 noon, early humans. Our ancestors split from chimpanzees. 1152 p.m., modern humans appear. Homo sapiens emerge. 1159, 48 p.m. Human civilization begins agriculture, the first cities, and writing appear in the final 12 seconds of the cosmic year. 11:59 p.m., modern history. The last second represents all of recorded history: the Roman Empire, the Renaissance, the Industrial Revolution, and the Space Age. Every moment of your life. Everything we know, everything we've created, is less than a heartbeat in the universe's timeline. The takeaway: when we place the universe into a single year, one message becomes clear. We are incredibly new. The cosmos is ancient, vast, and still unfolding. And despite our tiny place in time, our ability to understand the universe makes our second on the cosmic calendar truly extraordinary. If this hit home, subscribe to Insight